just settled in about 4:30 on the 20th of October 24, and that's the view towards the north. You can see the sea where just above the roof of the caravan there, and the evening sunshine, so quite a pleasant view. The road right in front and not much garden. Tuesday evening about 5 o'clock, the 22nd of October 24, and you can see it's bright sun tonight. It's not been sunny all day. Came out a little bit when I started the walk near Holy Island, and it had a big black rain cloud coming over, but not too much dropped, so it was a pleasant day overall. Wednesday the 23rd of October 24, 7:30 AM. We have the sunrise behind the caravans. The sky's looking interesting today. (7:20) on Thursday the 24th of October. We get the orange rays from the sun showing just before sunrise. Colour red, orange.
On those mental scars, and as you just heard from Tony, it's about remembering those who shared and have fallen for our freedom, but also it's about supporting those who are still fighting with any mental and physical frailties they've had as a consequence of their service.
Well said, Charlie Peters, thank you very much indeed.
Well, if you want to donate, then you can do so. Of course, we've seen people out about collecting. Well, that's the way we traditionally do it, but you can, of course, do it online on the Royal British Legion's website. It's britishlegion.org.uk.
Now, you know, GB News, we love to hear what you think. So every day we're going to be running our poll of the day. And today we're asking, do you think that young people take pride in wearing the poppy?
Well, we'll bring you the results live throughout the day, so make sure you stay tuned in for that. And we'll get the final result in Martin Dawkins' show this afternoon. If you want to take part and have a look at all the latest polls, news, and find out how to vote, go to gbnews.com/poll.
Now, the King and Queen have embarked on a state visit to Samoa, braving the heat and humidity to strengthen ties and enjoy the culture of the South Pacific island.
Yes.
was just thinking, what a nice view. We've got the grass there and the sea right in front of the caravan side, and then I noticed all this. Friday the 25th of October 24. Not much view out the front window this morning. They misted up from condensation and not able to be wiped off from the inside. Before I go and get my bus at just about 9 o'clock, which takes me to Newcastle, and then megabus to Sheffield, local bus to centre Sheffield, because megabus drops you at Meadowhall. So from the centre of Sheffield on the X17 to Chesterfield, and then Pronto, and that's it. Get back about 8 o'clock tonight, I think. Let's have a final look round the caravan. It was £49 for the 4 nights I spent here. It's a big caravan with all the facilities, although I couldn't find a tin opener. I always bring my own, one of the old-fashioned cutting ones, and that was useful. So there's a fridge. The small shower room, toilet, wash basin. The kitchen facilities are an extension of the lounge area and into the double bedroom, which I didn't use because it's only me. And through to the other bedroom with 2 single beds, and that's the facilities. I'll show the outside of it when I've locked up. I just have to show you the table, which I discovered eventually. It's fitting under the surface top there. This is the view from the outside of the caravan. The outlook with trees there, but other caravans behind. And that's number 28. There's been that pair of shoes there all the time, nothing to do with me. It's number 28 Border Close, and it's the Moonstone Deluxe.